Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Go 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. I am going to show you how to tear this down completely. So let's start without wasting any time. So to tear this down, we have to take out the mesh here, this mesh. So we have to pry it like this. So opening this is bit challenge because this is pasted here right round of this metal. I have opened this already. This is bit challenging. Rest everything is very easy. So now we have to take out the screws here. You can see there are screws. Totally 6 screws are there. So 4 screw is removed, 2 are stuck inside, no problem. Now we have to remove this housing. Like this we have to pry it. It will come out easily. Opened for first time here. I am opening here for the first time. So this is the internal look. You can see the drivers here. I am going to take everything apart here so that we can see. Just I am going to take out this speaker cable here first. Just by slowly lifting it, it will come out. So this has been separated. So now I am going to take out the drivers here. Driver here. There are 4 screws. This is 40 mm size. So I have taken out the 4 screws. Just slowly prying here, it will come out like this. That's it. So this is the 40 mm main driver of this JBL Go Plus JBL Go 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. So this is shield type magnet here. So 048 something is written. That's it. Alright, I'm going to keep this separately. And this is base radiator here. This is the back side of the base radiator. And this is the front side. I am not going to remove that because this is clearly visible here and it is pasted here right round. So alright, now it's time to take out the motherboard here. There are 3 screws I can see, 1, 2 and 3. So let's take that out first. So this is the 3 screws. So now simply just lifting like this, it should come out. Just make sure you're not going to break anything. It should come by itself like this. That's it. So this is the motherboard. We have to remove these sockets to take this out completely. These sockets has been pasted here. So I'm going to remove that glues. That's it. And here, that's it. So this is battery connection here. This is the charging socket and auxiliary input socket. And this should be mic here. So for mic we have to remove this glue. Just cutting the glue, that's it. So this is the mic and this is the motherboard which is taken out from the housing. So if you want to see any components, you can see here. So this is battery socket. This is charging to the JBL Go 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker and auxiliary input. This is the mic input, that's it. This is the Bluetooth module here. That's it. And this is the back side. There are so many testing points here. There is no components here. Very few components here. That's it. Rest everything is testing points. These are the switches here. So totally it is of 5 switches. Alright. I'm going to keep this separately. Now I'm going to take out this charging section housing, USB socket housing. So there are 2 screws here which we have to take out. So I'm going to take that out. This has been completely sealed, packed here because there should be no room to water get inside here. So alright, that's it. Now there is a clip, I think, and there is no screws here. Just we have to lift this clip, I think so. Just I'm going to slowly lift here. That's it. It has come out. The total package has come out. So this is the charging section. So this cable has auxiliary input connection and as well as charging connection. That's it. So I'm going to keep this separately. And this is the mic which I am not going to take out because it is packed here because of the water should not come. It is sealed completely. And this is the battery. So I don't want to take out the battery because it is pasted here. If the battery is bad, I could have removed this, but the battery is perfect. So this is the thin battery here. I think it is of somewhere around 600 to 700 mAh. Just go through the specification in the JBL website. So this is the serial number, I think so. which is given here. So alright, this is the complete teardown of JBL Go 2 Plus Bluetooth speaker. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.